What's going on, guys? Hopefully you're having a wonderful day, and today I wanted to make a video for you guys, and not so much day trading but swing trading. You guys knew, I haven't really put on much swings leading up to the last 2 weeks, but when markets started acting a little better, when VIX started dropping a little bit, I saw some good potentials, and that's when we started putting on swings again. I hadn't put on a swing since November, and this last 2 weeks I put on 2 swings and they both hit very well, and one of them was ADM, and I want to talk about why ADM was so good. All right, so what do we have here? We have a push up, we have a consolidated pullback into a moving average, right? And then we kind of trampoline off and we take off. All right, so what does that look like? That is our falling wedge pattern, something I've talked about multiple times, right? The falling wedge pattern, aggressive move up, consolidated pullback into a support or moving average, and then we take off. So that's exactly what we had here. The day I identified this was actually on March 18th. We saw this push up, we see this consolidative pullback, and that's what really caught my attention. I put the alert out and I looked at multiple things. I didn't just say, okay, this looks good. I had to look at multiple things. One, was the volume on this move up good? Yes, it was. We have an increase in volume here. Was the pullback on decreasing volume? Yes, the pullback in relative to the push up was a little bit decreasing, right? Now we have support, which is 20 moving average, and it looks like it's respecting it on the way up. All right, the stock is also sitting at 52-week highs. Now, with that said, I continued down and I went and looked at the flow. The day before, there was 61% bullish activity on it. All right, I checked the options chain on it, on unusual whales, of course, and you can see they're going after the 85s, the 125s, 82s, when the stock was sitting right here at around 82, 83. That's when our entry was. Taking a look at the levels, 15K plus was around 66% bullish, and 30K plus was over 85, 86% bullish, right? So all of this kind of gave me the confidence to take the trade. We had our power earnings run up right here on earnings day, strong push, volume came in, respected the 20, trampolined off. Now we have a pattern, we could get involved, right? Stock is at 52-week highs when the entire market was kind of shitting itself, right? It's a stock that's been doing relatively well in relation to what's going on in the world. It's a farm stock, right? So it's related to what's really going on out there. So we had the entries at 83, our targets was 87.90, and the second target was 92.89, which they essentially just all hit today. And this right here, this move from the entry all the way up to the highs was around 360% in options. A great little swing, and it all started with identifying a pattern, knowing how well the stock is performing in the sector, checking the flow, and really understanding that these things are going to give you that fuel to trampoline you higher, and that's exactly what took place here. All right, guys, so hopefully you guys found value in this video. If you did, please make sure you go ahead and like and share this with somebody who you think will find value in it, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. Make sure you guys have a wonderful and safe weekend. We'll catch you on the next one.